Year and a half. Yeah, I guess about a year and a half. Yeah.
Yeah, he's turned me on to REC TECs. One thing I love about REC TECs, and that's why I'm actually here, is because I've had some of the leading industries, y'all's competitions, pellet cookers. I have 2 at home, and they're great until I cooked with this guy, and I was like, dude, these are different. And why? The 3 main reasons I really like it, and I was telling him, what makes REC TEC different than everybody else? One, it's just the durability. Like when you have a presence, there's a presence on the grills, and that's what I love. They're not flimsy. You lift it up, you're actually feeling like you're on a grill. And 2, they hold its temp, man. And the flavor's there. I think with our rubs and as well as the pellet cookers, it's not necessarily but pellet cookers. You can get the pellets anywhere. But how does the machine cook? And at the end of the day, it tastes like barbecue, and that's why I like it. And it feels like, it holds its temp. It's not like a wind gust. It goes from 350 to like 125. No, it's actually holding. And you know what? You don't have to worry about it in the middle of the night. Worried that is it going to last? And that's why I was sold. I was like, dude, and he's like, I told you. And I'm like, and I was like, yeah, sign me up. I'm there.
Let's road trip.
Yeah, road trip. But yeah, I've been a made a believer on something, and seeing yourself on these YouTube videos and seeing yourself promote something like that, and that passion he has, I see myself in there a lot in that. So I was like, you know what, if this guy's this passionate, I tried it out. He's been hounding me about it because I'm old school, and it's one of those sayings: if it's not fixed, if it's not broke, don't fix it. But when you start trying it the first time and you're going out there and you're hitting top 10, and then you're hitting top 5, and now you're hitting top 3, and some of the best stuff in the world on something this thing that everybody's just like scratching their heads like, how are they beating us? It doesn't. That just proves it's not. These pellet cookers can hang with anybody. So with some of the best pits, and I have a Bugatti of pits. I have a $20,000 pit that cooks the same brisket as that does, but you know what the difference is? I get sleep. I don't get so greasy and dirty. That's the cool part.
So cool.
I can go see, and I don't like it at the same time too. Don't get me wrong, because now my wife is like, oh, since you have time on your hands.
Yeah, exactly.
you know that light bulb, the filters. You're like, oh man. Usually I had to stay by the pit, but having the opportunity to work on these REC TECs is really cool, and I really enjoy it. And if it wasn't for Carlo really turning me on, it's like, I always remember the first time you told me, and it's typical Carlo Casanova. Dude, you gotta check this out. Everything we always talk about, it always starts off with dude. Dude,
this is awesome.
So it was one of those type of things, and I rolled my eyes on, like, all right, I'm gonna check it out. But then I was really sold, and they're great, and and it's weird because we're hitting with them, and it's pissing a lot of people off that we're beating them with pellet cookers, but it's awesome.
It's great. It's great, and yeah.